Hey, David. Hey, David.
What?
I've got a horrible pain in my neck.
Oh, my heart goes out to your neck. Well, that's exciting. Let's take a look and just see here. Well, it looks like you could use a little more nutrition. Plus, I think I can see how we might be able to help. Hi, it's David Lauterstein, and I'm excited to be teaching on April 11th the class entitled Problem Solving for the Neck. And the focus is going to be on understanding the anatomy of the neck, particularly the posterior neck. And the importance of that is that most therapists are confronted with neck problems of their own as well as their clients. However, they often don't really understand or know exactly the anatomy of the back of the neck, which is really problematical, obviously. You need to know the anatomy of the back of the neck thoroughly in order to really help people. So we'll go into that, we'll palpate it in the class, I'll have you work on somebody, and we'll show you fulcrums, techniques that you can use to help. And we'll also look a bit at the energetics, because the heart is below the neck, the head is above the neck, and the relationship of heart to head is oftentimes expressed in the postural and tension patterns that the neck may develop. So it should be a fascinating workshop, a whole 6 hours. I'm sure you'll learn tons of stuff that'll really be helpful to you and to your clients.